Hello, welcome back everyone. So this is one of the 2026 set Horse Stable and Riding Academy. So we have two horses in this set. So it's Thunder and Coco. So Coco is, I think she's a new horse because I've never seen Coco before. So the inside is super cozy. It's rather big actually. And I think Lego Friends series, they really love horses because we have like horse related sets every year. Last year, this year it was like Pony Ranch. So that was a little bit different. So this is where they sleep and it looks super cozy. We have like book about horses. I think it's a series book because there's 1 and 2. And there's also like an instruction how to like tie horses' legs, like probably when they get broken or when they get hurt. So this is one of the big sets in 2026 and I can't wait to see it. So this is the end of the video and see you next time. Bye bye.